We're going to do a brief video on Quant Crypto. Basically what you're looking at is a logged in access on RBAMResearch.com. This is showing entry prices for May 31st, and they're good for the 31st only. They expire at the end of the day. And this page shows you a variety of instruments, starting with stocks, futures, and then finally we'll get to, in a minute, the crypto. What I want to show you at the top here is that for quant trading, we have holding periods on this particular form. This is an output of our algorithms, and of course to quant trade you need an algorithm. This sheet shows you the output of our quant crypto algorithms, and again, this first line here is for obviously Apple stock, but down in a moment I'll show you the crypto we carry. We have entry prices for Bitcoin, both long and short, down here in a moment. I'll show you those. But let's first go over how this page works. The holding periods you can see are across the top: 1 day, 2 day, 5 day, 10 and 20 day holding periods. That basically means you enter the market today at a given price and you get out either at a profit as soon as you can, or worst case 1 day. Same thing here. Worst case you're out in 2, worst case 5, worst case 10, worst case 20. So the strategy would be, you, for example, here for S&P 500 futures, you would buy at 41.66 if you thought that was a good place to buy, and you would be out worst case after 1 trading day. Best case, you'd get out as soon as you get a profit, and so forth down the line. If we go down here to crypto, you can see that we're going to have each day before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, we're going to have either a buy or a short for crypto. And for May 31st, Tuesday, May 31st, this is showing a reference point to short for a 1 day hold of 29,564. So if the market hit that and your other research validated it, you could short the market at that level, take a profit as soon as you got it, or worst case close out at the end of 1 trading day. These are not calendar days, they're trading days, not calendar days. So, and so forth down the line. If you wanted to potentially hold for 10 days, you take a look at this short position here at 31,723. Now again, these are recommended prices to look at. You can never rely on anybody's analysis exclusively. You always have to do your own analysis. These are reference points only, for entertainment purposes only, and you should always use your own judgment or consult a financial advisor before you enter a trade. But these help keep your mind straight, keep levels that you should follow mentally, and they're excellent for observing how the markets behave around these price points when you're interested in quant trading. This particular quant output can be used for what's traditionally called swing trading. So you can enter these. Let's say you wanted to do a 5-day swing. You'd look at this price, look to short at this price, and hold for no longer than 5 days on a potentially hold term of a 5-day swing. You may end up closing this out the day you put it on, 2 days, 3 days later, but your max hold would be for a 5-day swing, and so on. You could do that 1, 2, 5, all the way up to a 20-day hold period. So there's several things going on here. This is a quant output for crypto. You can use it for swing trading, position trading. You can use it for a quasi longer term hold trade. Now the differences in these holding periods are basically, you have a higher win percentage if you're willing to hold it a little longer, and you also have a slightly higher average profit. But you could put on a 20-day hold at this price, and if it showed a good profit, you could take it out in 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, whatever it was. You don't necessarily hold the entire 20 days. You hold until you get a profit. Worst case, you close out at the end of the holding period. And again, these are trading days. So that's basically how this sheet works. Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. These are all posted for cryptos. We have the major forex pairs. We have the major most liquid futures, and we have 190 plus stocks. The stocks are buy onlys, all the rest are buys or shorts. If you'd like to get these before 7 a.m., they're free, no credit card required. You just go to RBAMResearch.com and sign up. Again, 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, crypto. We've currently for crypto, we currently follow just Bitcoin, and then the most liquid futures. Keep in mind, everything that we've shown you here today are for entertainment purposes only, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and get some more of these videos, please do that. And keep in mind, for entertainment purposes only, you trade at your own risk.